All right. Now that we've gotten this far, we have the moles of calcium chloride, and that's where we are right here, moles of calcium chloride. We're ready to go and find the mass of calcium chloride in this problem. Yes? Yes. Okay? All right, so we're going to put this amount over 1 as our new starting amount. And we need to get from this number of moles of calcium chloride to the mass of calcium chloride. And we have to have a molar mass calculation for that. So we're going to add, by definition, it's the sum of all the atomic masses of all the atoms in the formula. 1 calcium and 2 chlorines. Being careful to keep everything labeled so we can find everything later if we need to. Go to the periodic table to find those atomic masses. Calcium is 40.078. Chlorine is 35.453. Okay, we need to add those up. It's the sum. And the answer we get is 110.984. So it's the sum of all the atomic masses of all the atoms in the formula, written in units of grams. We don't have to round off here. There's no empty slots on the right. And set equal to 1 mole of that same species. And to show it's the same species, we have to write it. Okay? From this equality statement now, this is the required equality statement you need to build the conversion unit that goes here. And we're going to match the units and species from the previous step on the bottom. And this side of the equality statement has the matching units and species. 1 mole of calcium chloride, matching the units of moles and species of calcium chloride. And on the top is the other side of the equality statement. We can put that here, 110.984 grams of calcium chloride. You must keep all your units and species in every stage. If you make those shortcuts, you make mistakes. Alright, so let's see, 0.101. This is a multiplication problem. It's times 110.984. And I get 11.209384 grams of calcium chloride. Okay. This number has 3 digits. This one has 6. These are the only 2 calculated numbers in the problem. These are both counted numbers. We're going to ignore those when we're figuring out significant digits in a multiplication and division problem. So these are the only numbers we're going to use. And there's 3 digits here. That's the least digits. That's what we want in our final answer. 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Underline that. Draw an arrow to show that we're rounding off. Can't use an equal sign. It's not equal. 11.2 grams of calcium chloride. Okay? And that's the solution to your homework problem. Any questions?
Okay, which part is this right here?
This is that last step in our mapping system up here.
Molar mass.
Yeah, this is the molar mass here. This is where we calculated molar mass down here.
Okay.
And there's the equality statement. You have to have an equality statement to justify the writing of this conversion unit. Okay? Now, one thing I didn't do, nobody said anything. Where's Shane? He usually tells me when I mess up.
Oh, you didn't
I didn't cancel. 5 points on you? Huh? Yes, Bailey.
I heard of them, but I don't
Sure.